Dang, that's cool. I like your radicals. Your radicals. Oh,
I wasn't ready.
Woo! Damn, man.
Do you feel the blast from the pressure going to your face?
Yep. It's just like poof. I want to shoot another one.
Go ahead.
Freaking
Okay.
Sounds like a 22, man.
Okay, turn off the light and we'll see if there's like a flash when you shoot. Turn off the light. Turn off the light.
I know. Yeah.
Yep. Do it again. Do it again. There's nothing, dude.
No, it's dead. Almost no light at all.
Yep.
Good light.
Try Joey, you can try yours.
I can. We got 10 rounds, so
Turn on the light so I can. Oh, I can see you. So, or you want to shine the light? Just make sure you're shooting the right direction.
just in that area probably. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. You know what? Yours has a flash, dude.
Yeah, yours is a flash.
I see.